Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have missed you. Today I just want to share a delicious, nutritious, and easy, simple recipe that you can have done in less than, I would say, 20 to 30 minutes. And I am so excited to be making this for my family and sharing it with you. So if you like this video, I invite you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is preheat the oven to 475 degrees. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 yellow onion, approximately around 4 carrots depending on the size of your carrots, 1 bell pepper, I bought a green one, and then 1 small bag of baby potatoes, and 2 garlic cloves. Also, if you want some Parmesan cheese, and to garnish some parsley, and 2 large chicken breasts, as well as your favorite Italian seasoning. So we're going to start by washing all of our produce. I chose to purchase this colorful baby potatoes. I think they look super cute and the recipe is just going to be bright and colorful. I specifically love the purple ones. I remember when I used to work at a restaurant and they were called purple Peruvian potatoes, I think. And now what I'm doing is just quartering them so that they fit better into the foil paper. Also, I chose to pick these colorful carrots that I found at my local grocery store. Like I said, I just wanted this dish to be as colorful as it could be. And now I'm just scrubbing them because they tend to have a lot of dirt in them or on them, and peeling them. For me, it's always fun to try different versions or varieties of vegetables. And I selected 4 of the different colors, and you can cut them into matchstick sizes or rounds. I am just cutting them at an angle right here. I'm also cutting the green peppers into squares, but first I am taking the seeds out and deveining them. I bought 1 pound of chicken breasts, which means that each one of them were about 8 ounces, and I want to cut 4 portions of 4 ounces each. So now we are going to cut about 4 sheets of aluminum foil, and that is where we're going to put our chicken and our veggies to cook in the oven. If you have a good Italian seasoning recipe, use it, but I like to use this Italian medley by Mrs. Dash. Lastly, I'm using some avocado spray oil on the chicken, and I am sprinkling some salt, and I'm also going to use some of the same Italian medley from Mrs. Dash. So now let's put everything together into these foil packets. Look how pretty our vegetables and colorful they look. So delicious. So the chicken goes right on top, and we are trying to make a little vessel for the chicken to cook. And I'm not being fancy here, I'm just like crimpling the foil. You can do like pretty neat folds, but I'm just doing it this way. What I absolutely love about this recipe, besides it being fast and everybody loves it, is that I don't really dirty any pans or even plates. Like, it literally goes from the oven to the table. Right now I'm setting the cooking time to 30 minutes, but it literally took me about 20 minutes for them to be cooked. You don't want your veggies to be too mushy or your chicken to be dry, so I think that 20 to 25 minutes should be good. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you make this recipe for yourself or for your family and that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next one.